Hello everyone, this is Nata Ankula. In this class we are going to complete the last class of the fungi, that is Deuteromystes. Deuteromystes, they are commonly called as imperfect fungi because the perfect stage of the sexual reproduction, that is sexual reproduction, was not seen in these Deuteromystes. Hence they were called as imperfect fungi. Only asexual and vegetative phases of this fungi were known, but the sexual phase were not known. When the sexual forms were discovered, they were moved to their class exactly they belongs to. For example, in this only asexual and vegetative phases were known. For example, if any fungi they show either Ascomystis characters or Basidiomystis characters, they can be moved to that particular class. Like this we can classify them. And if you see the structure of the fungi, the mycelium exhibits septate and branched mycelium. We know that these are higher fungi. In higher fungi, commonly the mycelium is septate and branched only. And these are the mode of nutrition is either saprophytic or parasitic mode of nutrition. The saprophytic forms, they dependent on dead and decaying organic matter and absorb the nutrients, whereas the parasitic forms, they may act as the parasites and dependent on the plants or animals and cause diseases in those hosts. And most of these group belongs to decomposers. They decompose the organic matter. In organic matter, so many nutrients and minerals are present. Those nutrients and minerals will be released back to the soil, which increases the soil fertility and enhances the growth of the plants. They helps in the mineral cycling of the organic matter. And here, the name of the asexual spores present in these Deuteromystes are Conidia. What are the asexual spores? Conidia are the asexual spores seen in the Deuteromystes. Examples for these Deuteromystes are Alternaria, Calyptotrichum and Trichoderma. These are the main examples for the Deuteromystes. If we see these Deuteromystes, they may act as parasite, right? They causes several diseases in plants and human beings. The first one is leaf spot of rice. This is caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. Oryzae means they cause disease in the rice plants. So this fungi cause leaf spot disease in the rice. In the year 1942 to 1943, in the middle of this time, this fungi caused leaf spot disease in the rice in the Bengal and caused a great famine. In that region, there is a food scarcity in the Bengal region because of the fungus Helminthosporium oryzae. And second one is early blight of potatoes caused by Alternaria solani. Alternaria solani cause early blight of potato disease. And third one is Ticca disease. It is very important. It is seen in the groundnut plants. Ticca disease of groundnut was caused by Cercospora personata. It caused Ticca disease. And next one is red rot of sugarcane was caused by Calyptotrichum falcatum. Because of this, there is a red colored, if we eat the sugar cane, in the middle we found in some regions the red colored structures are seen because of the fungal growth, that is Calyptotrichum falcatum. And the last one is in human beings, they cause ringworm infections. They cause ringworm of foot or athlete's foot. The examples for the fungi is Trichophyton interdigitate. This cause athlete's foot or ringworm infection in human beings. This is about Deuteromystes. The common name is imperfect fungi. Sexual stage is absent. When the sexual stage is found, they can be moved to either Ascomycetes or Basidiomystes. Only asexual and vegetative phases are present. The mycelium is septate and branched. Most of them act as decomposers, helps in the mineral cycling, in the nutrient cycling. And another one is the sexual spores are Conidia. Some of them cause Ticca disease, leaf blight disease, red rot of sugarcane, like this. There are some diseases are seen in Deuteromystes. With this we have completed the last class of the fungi, that is Deuteromystes. In the next video we are going to discuss all the classes of the fungi in tabular form. With this you can easily remember the characters of different fungi. Thank you.